Hello together. So now we continue to page 14, and the last page 13 we study about domino picture and how to plus and different to take answer different. So now you can see the 14 page in this cubes that 1 red plus 2 okay blue and equal 3 like this. 1 plus 2 equal 3. So when you put together, and so now the cube we take one out, take one away, so or take two away. Okay, after we put together we take blue out, so 3 take 2 equal 1. Yes, 3 take 2 equal 1. So complete each phrase family to use cube is you need to have. So you can say about this. Yes, number 1 2 3. Okay, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Yes, that is equal 5. You can see equal 5. And so now 1 plus 4 equal 5 too. And so now take 5 take 1 equal 4, and 5 take 4 equal 1. Yeah, so different. And 2 3 plus 1 equal 4, 1 plus 3 equal 4, the same, the same. And so now and 4 take 1 equal 3, and 4 take 3 equal 1. So now number 3 exercise, and 2 plus 3 equal 5, and 3 plus 2 equal 5 too. And so now 5 take 3 equal 2, and 5 take 2 equal 3. Okay, mental math. And write the missing number 1. Yeah, 2 plus 2 equal 4, and dot plus 1 equal 2, mean that 1. 4 take dot equal 2, mean that 4 take 2 equal 2. Dot take 1 equal 1, mean that 2 take 1 equal 1. Okay, right. Yeah, thanks for watching, and so now you can see the next video on page 15. Okay, if you want this book you can ask me, I will contact me, I will free for you. You can pay only 6 pin. Okay, Mathematics in Accent about this book title. Bye bye, see you next page 15. Bye bye.